Another one. Oh, this is insane.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Brown County, southeastern Warren County, western Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, southeastern Greene County, northwestern Highland County until noon. At 11:22 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Wilmington to near Blanchester, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Who issued it?
Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse,
Wilmington issued it.
Blanchester, Savannah, Jamestown, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Jasper, Woodville, Staunton, Clarksville, Martinsville, Midland, Bowersville, Highland, Port William, Milledgeville, and Octa. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 74.
As this line continues to work its way past individual zones within the city limits.
The National Weather Service in
There you have
Wilmington
it.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Champaign County, Logan County, Northern Clark County, northeastern Aubrey